Samsung Galaxy Note series phones has long been the go-to phones for those Android users that want power and efficiency. And why the new Galaxy Note series phone is allegedly on schedule to be released in August of 2020. The current corona pandemic has affected so many other phone manufacturers and companies, which made them to suspend their device launch events. But it looks like the Galaxy Note 20 series is very imminent. What's up guys, it's Victor here again. And in this very quick one, we shall be taking a look at the various leaks and speculations or rumors on the internet about the upcoming or the soon coming Galaxy Note 20 series. And hey, if you are new here and you haven't subscribed, please smash the subscribe button just below this video and toggle on your post notification bell icon so that you'll be notified the next time and every other time I post new videos like this one. From these images, we have a good idea of what to expect from the Galaxy Note 20's camera setup. We should expect a versatile camera setup similar to what we see on the Galaxy S20 Ultra. According to leaks on the internet, the Galaxy Note 20 will get a 6.7-inch display, while the Note 20 Plus will come with a larger 6.9 inches display. We might also see a change in position of the S Pen on both the Galaxy Note 20 and the Note 20 Plus. Samsung usually slots the stylus on the right side, but renders and leaks for both phones show that it's now on the bottom left side. The vanilla Galaxy Note 20 might come in grey, copper and a green paint job. Meanwhile, the Galaxy Note 20 Plus is rumored to show up in black, copper and maybe a gold makeover. In the performance department, we expect both the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 and Note 20 Plus to feature nothing less than the Snapdragon 865 chipset from Qualcomm with 5G connectivity. As usual, only the US variant will feature the Snapdragon processor. If this is still the case, then the Galaxy Note 20 in other markets will feature Samsung Exynos processors, likely the Exynos 992, which is a 5nm processor that would bring a major boost to performance and power efficiency compared to the Exynos 990 chipsets on the Galaxy S20 handsets. However, Samsung is still reportedly deciding if it wants to use the new processor on the Note 20 series or not. If they finally decide to use the Exynos 992, it would come as no banger since the Note 10 featured the Snapdragon 855 in the US, while the rest of the world saw the then latest Samsung processor, which is the Exynos 9825 processor. The Note 20 series is expected to show up with an IP68 water resistant rating, at least 12GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage. Wireless charging and an in-display fingerprints are one of the most expected features on the Note 20 series. Why these are speculations and leaks making the news in the internet? I personally also have some expectations of the new Galaxy Note 20 series. One, I expect the new Galaxy Note 20 series not to come with a headphone jack. I'm hoping to see a screen with 120Hz refresh rate, as this has been like the standard lately, 120Hz or even more. I am also expecting the price of this device to be in a major competition with other flagship brands coming out later this year. Phones like the Apple iPhone 12. I expect the Galaxy Note 20 series to take up those phones when it comes to budget and pricing. We've seen the Apple SE come out in a very competitive price segment, so I'm expecting Samsung to up their game when it comes to pricing and budget friendliness. Let me know what you think about the leaks and speculations making news in the internet about the new Galaxy Note 20 series. Let me know your thoughts and opinions and what you've been expecting or what you expect in this new Galaxy series in the comment section below this video. Thank you so much guys for watching this one, and if you've not, please subscribe to this channel and also give this video a thumbs up because it really helps the channel grow. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you so much, and I will see you when I see you in the next one. Peace.